Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to hack Subway Surfer keys and coins for a rooted device. Here in this hack I have a rooted device and I have an app named Freedom, and I'm using this app to hack coins and keys. You must have that app. That'll help you to hack this games and things. Freedom is an app that needs root access, so you need a rooted device here, and Freedom have three versions. I am using the most updated version 1.0.8, and here I open it. As I am an activated user, it does not ask for root access, but if you are not an activated user, first you'll ask for root access. You'll have to grant root access, then just click on Subway Surfer. Oh yes, first start it. That will make it faster. Then click on Subway Surfer. Now it will take some time. We better be patient here. After it opens, you'll have to do nothing. Just buy things. Okay, it's loading. So it's loaded. Now you can see I have high score. Oh no, nothing. Now you go shop. Okay, now you go to store. Now you can buy any pack you want. You can see I have 7,855. Now I buy 300 more. Contacting. So you see free code XXX5384. That's how this Freedom hacks it. It hacks through codes, and I buy it. Done. 8,155 keys. Okay, yeah, that's my money. Okay. 13103 money. Lots of. So free code XXX0532. You see, you had to select and buy, and that's all done. Now, yes, I have got my money finished. That's so easy. Now I go play and use some of the coins I used. Keys. I have a lot of keys, so I can waste it as long as I want. I have already hacked this one. Okay, so that's how we hack coins and keys. Now if you wanna hack scores, you can see my another video tutorial that's coming soon. That's how we hack money and keys in Subway Surfer. I'm done. I go out. And another thing, guys, you could also hack other games that are not server related, like Hill Climb Racing, Hardest Game Ever 2, etc. for hacking coins. But those games which are server related, like Clash of Clans, Soccer Stars, 8-Ball Pool, etc., can't be hacked with this hack. Like, let me show you a game about hacking Hill Climb Racing. That is an offline game that could be connected online. So here we go. I have to be a little bit patient here. So it's only, you can see and click on get coins. You can also see I have already had this game. Okay, I buy some more packs, knives, for lots of money. I'm buying some more. Well, I'm a BP user. I buy lots of money. You gotta give me ad free. Okay, rewarded. So I buy some more. See, that's too easy to hack. Done. Finished. Okay. Exit. Yes. And done. So after finishing the hack, you click on stop, or else it won't stop in running in background. After clicking on stop, it will stop and the running in background will stop. And guys, remember one thing: if the hack does not work, I mean, if does not could not get to stores, you must allow free core offline license verification and disable Play Store updates. I think it's must work. It must work. But if that does not work, just give a try on another like a game hacker, like SP Game Hacker. I'll give you that soon, how to hack through them. And that's all. And the settings, but I don't think you'll need that. Freecore is not recommended to use. And another thing, guys, you must have a 3G data connection or 4G data connection connected. 3G is recommended, 4G is even more. Okay, on. And if that connection is not on, it will not work. So that's all. Then good.